I met the one. In a million hit the jackpot. Finally did it, I won, yeah. Done searching for something better. You're just too good to be true. Ain't nobody like you. AM to PM, all that I'm loving.
What's up, cousins? If you're wondering how I got this cute pixie, pixie look, stay tuned.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever... Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as a loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do. Like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again.
Hey guys, thank you again for visiting my channel. As you guys can tell from the title of the video, it was a Bantu knot takedown. I must say that I am really liking the results. I wasn't too sure because I am a straight natural, but nonetheless, I still like how it came out. Some of my pieces in the middle, as you can see, they were a little loose, but other than that, and or maybe the pin that came out of it. So, but I like it. I like the outcome of it. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna do more Bantu knots, takedowns, and I'm gonna do some 2-strand twists, takedowns, and what is it, and braid out. So if y'all like my content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Peace.
No way, I think I met the one. In a million hit the jackpot. Finally did it, I won. Yeah, done searching for something better. You're just too good to be true. Ain't nobody like you. AM to PM. All